Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Costway Twin Tub and the Mini 16L Foldable Washer. If you're living in a small space or need a convenient laundry solution for travel, this video will help you decide which machine is right for you. We'll look at their capacities, portability, and dewatering capabilities to see how they stack up against each other. The Costway Twin Tub offers a substantial 26 pounds capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads, including sheets and towels. In contrast, the Mini 16L Foldable Washer is designed for small, delicate items, making it less suitable for full laundry loads. If you have a family or do regular laundry, the Costway is the better choice. While the Costway Twin Tub is compact for its capacity, it weighs around 39 pounds, making it less portable. On the other hand, the Mini 16L Foldable Washer weighs only 4.5 pounds and can fold down to just 6 inches in height, making it perfect for travel and easy storage. If portability is your priority, the mini washer is the clear winner. The Costway Twin Tub features a dedicated spin tub that removes up to 90% of water, significantly reducing drying time. In contrast, the Mini 16L Foldable Washer includes a simple spin basket that only drains water, leaving clothes wet. For those who want quick drying, the Costway is the better option. In conclusion, the choice between the Costway Twin Tub and the Mini 16L Foldable Washer depends on your specific needs. If you require a high-capacity machine for regular laundry, the Costway is the best choice. However, if you need a portable solution for small items or travel, the mini washer is unbeatable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.